we absolutely have to come together to reclaim the flag. In recent months, particularly over the summer period, there has been a proliferation of the tricolour across some of our communities in Dublin. They're not looking, in my view, to celebrate our country. They're putting up the flags to intimidate and harass people who aren't Irish but who do live in this country. They're being inspired by the same activity of the far right in the UK. And I do think it's incredibly ironic to see so-called Irish patriots draw inspiration from English nationalists.
What does action look like in your mind?
I think where the proliferation of the flags has happened and when it's clear that they have been put up by malicious far-right agitators, I want to see the flags come down. But more importantly, so I think we need to reclaim the flag.
Tearing down these flags, though, if they're put up by these far-right agitators, might it not be what they want? You know, they'd love footage of Dublin City Council workers in their Dublin City Council vest tearing down the tricolour. You can imagine it spreading like wildfire. Elon Musk could be resharing it left, right and centre, videos like that.
Yeah, and look, that is absolutely why we must tread carefully here. So I think that there are some organisers in this movement who do forward plan like that, and indeed they are probably setting a trap and they're waiting for us to fall into it.
Is there another way of dealing with this, which is to actually saturate the city? Dublin City Council puts up their own tricolours, and we have tricolours all the way down the Liffey, there's tricolours up and down Grafton Street. You dilute the impact that throwing up a tricolour has if they're everywhere.
We absolutely have to come together to reclaim the flag, because it is being used as a weapon, it is being used as a marker of hate, and I think the idea of filling spaces with positivity and reclaiming the flag and explaining what the flag is and what it should represent, absolutely, fully welcome that.